Sappers. We're not fucking mitching, David. We're taking that position. Section CP right there. Make it
Royal
snappy.
Engineers, yeah?
Should I try doing it with the towed mortar this time around?
Sappers, reporting. What's the task?
This is a really good map for the heavy mortar.
Sandbags, now. It's done, Commander. Section command open for business. Sappers, that capture point needs to be ours, right? Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. You heard the boss. Sandbags, now.
Oh yeah.
We've got orders to move. Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position.
An infantry section of Tommies has been trained.
Barbed wire on this position, see?
Oops.
What's Jerry's is ours. Can we blow it up now? Wire in position. That should be a nuisance.
Presence accounted for, sir.
I need to send
Infantry section trained and ready.
section up there.
No anger, bad lads.
Sappers, and here we go. We're taking that
Beauty.
position.
Flags raised. Quiet down and listen up.
Concrete blocks built faster than sandbags? Really?
Securing enemy territory. Finders keepers, lads. Take to cover, you fucks! Move!
I suppose that kind of makes some sense, right?
Secure the area.
Sappers, ready to destroy some poor. You heard the boss.
Attention! Move on that capture point. Serious face.
Somehow a block appears.
Nice. That means you found Jerry. He's dead. That's enough. Rifle infantry's closing on us. All pilot beast. Bloody move. Stand there. Capture job now. Fucking scupper! Run!
Enough firepower to win that thereafter, eh?
An infantry section is present and accounted for.
Capturing that point. Lead on, Nige.
I'll wait till it's struck. Apparently it's better over there. Oh, bugger me! They've opened fire on us.
We're losing a fuel point.
Point down. Oh, those blisters, you shits. We'll get there.
Get it out. Give us orders.
That's enough. Take that point.
Sappers getting ripped up here.
I'll
wait in orders.
Fast.
Back! Don't fucking stop!
Nowhere to be seen. Let's take fire just like a walk down to the
Finish that mine, you think? I don't
Bears
think
are
so.
threatening
But
a fuel point.
Field! Don't move!
I was wrong.
Heavy mortars are available to deploy.
Nice! You wankers
I think I need to put my tick down first.
We got orders. Come on, ladies. Enemy territory
And
will
if I
be
try and
ours.
call in a mortar straight away, that's not going to work.
Pay attention. We'll risk it for a biscuit,
In terms
won't
of
we?
timings, this will take too long to complete.
Found the enemy line.
Platoon command needs digging
See
in.
how long the tick is on this? Doesn't.
Always eager to serve. Oi, gear up and move on that point.
Sappers on site.
Definitely getting out capped
What do you
right
need
now.
blowing up?
It's captured.
You heard the boss.
Quiet down and listen. Oh, get to ground. Get that captured. See what we've got.
Royal Engineers, yeah?
Attention! Fucking scarper! Run! Pay attention! Horses in gear! Let's go quiet down and quit whinging and march. Got your rifle? Rounds? Come on then.
Sappers reporting. Far too close for comfort. Taking hits. Secure that position. Drive them out.
Go back to base! Leave it!
Sappers, we're ready. Oh wait, did it strike? Come on, bastards! Take that position.
Quiet down and listen up. Always. Taking enemy fire here!
Back!
Right, fall back! Bloody move! Shut your mush and move your feet. Head into the location.
Alright, 400 manpower, which I'm not going to get if I...
Sending reinforcements. reinforcements as and when needed.
Shit.
Off your asses! Move!
Attention! Let's move out!
Hold still, will you?
Wow. You could have beaten me there.
Into the
We're
camp.
losing a victory point.
We got orders.
We have.
Go.
We shall reinforce in your absence.
Awaiting orders.
Always eager to serve.
We're moving out, chums.
Pay it.
Victory point under enemy control.
Stations, we're heading out.
Help me unhook this thing.
Mirror, signal
Heavy
driver.
motor on standby.
Oil engineers, ready. You heard the boss. Stand by.
Quiet down. Listen, let's take some
Give us
ground.
some breathing room.
What a beauty.
Stop, stop. What now?
Oh, they died so fast. Holy shit, they died fast.
Right, reverse.
Shit! Enemy fire!
Back up. Back us up.
Pay it.
I think we're up, lads. Right, right.
Dig it down. Captured. That's enough. Pipe down. Push it on enemy ground.
Where'd you earn the commander?
Right.
We have vehicles on standby.
Securing enemy
Look
territory.
sharp. Let's move, gunners. Be
Running over.
Need an AT gun, I need medics. I need a lot right now. I don't need heavy mortar.
Orders are in. Back in your seat. Let's
The men are eager to fight with valor, Commander, no matter the cost.
Now, come on, chaps. We've got to
Yes,
move.
sir. We have
Got enemy
we have
fire!
orders.
We're fucked! Pull back to base! Leave it! We got orders. Fire back! While it be, fucking Scarper! Run!
Your message. Heading to our destination now. Steady on.
Beauty!
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
He's gone!
Don't let anyone.
We need you. Right,
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
6-pounder Oh, wankers! There you are!
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Have our orders. Be prepared, gunners. Grenade.
Oh shit!
CWT truck has been wrecked by the
I wasn't
enemy.
expecting AT gun this early.
Go. For the
They've cut us off. Territory is out of supply.
Well,
We
that's
need
bad.
space for the wounded.
Nice!
Infirmary
That means
coming
you!
right up.
Attention! Rifle! Grab that tube! Or get the quit whinging them. Oi, gear up and move on that point!
Capture point. Get on it. The wounded here.
We've been given our orders.
Present and accounted for, sir. Always eager to serve. Recce back finders keepers, lads.
Heavy motor on standby.
The point's ours.
We're losing a munitions point.
Soldiers, command has issued orders. Saturate those coordinates. Load
Quiet
NG.
down and listen up. So replacements are here. Let's move back! Bloody move! Pay attention, lazy buggers. Contact with the bloody enemy!
Jump to it, lads.
Don't just fucking... Quiet down!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Got so many squads, dude.
Commands and fire.
Six, let's get our hands dirty.
A victory point is being overrun.
Heads down, lads!
Infantry.
The enemy have taken our territory.
Present to the county.
Grab your tackle. Job to do.
Come on, then.
Gunners, we
Victory point is in enemy hands.
on their way.
Pay attention. I don't want to hear fucking words.
Our
March.
men fall.
Promotion there!
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Take that point! Always.
I'm good there.
Stand ready to serve, soldiers. Action. Initiating
Quiet
combat.
down.
You are most welcome here,
Quiet
Gunners.
down, you wankers!
Capture
We
that.
got orders,
Bob's your
lads.
uncle.
Present
Bob's your uncle.
Always eager to Jerry's nowhere to be seen. Let's take it.
Point taken. Ready to move
Boss
on.
man says take it, we
Heavy
take
motor,
it. Oh,
stand back.
contact with the bloody enemy!
Ready to fight.
Not move on that capture point. Serious faces on. Present and accounted for. We'll risk it for a biscuit, won't we?
AT gun. You 6-pounder
Gunners,
deploying. We'll
we've
cover
received
here.
our orders. They shall not escape our gaze.
We're raring to go. Pay attention, buggers. 6-pounder anti-tank gun ready. Get the ground! Get that capture! See what we've got. What you got? This ain't Queensbury rules. Fucking kill them! Lie down. Shake a leg, you chap!
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your order. The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Soldiers! Courage, soldiers!
Right, leave it!
Some juicy heavy mortar shots.
Ready to come on, sappers. Get to follow it.
Our orders have come in! May God watch over us!
AT gun, grab that gear and no
Heavy
go.
motor ready.
Section CP is taking damage.
We got orders, lads. Quit whinging and march.
A victory point is being overrun.
Not
Six
had orders.
pounder
We're needed
engaging.
elsewhere, lads.
Pay
Let's get to it.
attention!
Advancing
lazy
to
buggers.
attack.
Come on, ladies, while we're young. Quit
man
whinging
says
and march.
Stay out of sight. Company
I don't want to
command
hear a
post.
fucking word.
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Time to march, boys.
Ready
Come
for
on.
trouble.
Heavy motor here! Advance and fire!
Present and accounted for. Quit whinging and march.
Sappers, we're not fucking missing
Fire
that.
back!
We're taking that position.
Well, it's right. Grab that
Ready for action!
The enemy has our victory point now.
There it goes.
Good aim, lads!
You have 3 command points available.
Through. Get this
Oh,
fixing position
move!
to engage.
Sappers, yeah? You heard the boss. Position taken.
That means attention! Combat patrols, get on my ass! Hold on, lads. God, don't just
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
move on that capture point. Serious faces on. Oh, every time. Every shitting time.
Sappers, Eagles will ever be.
Oi, stop and spread out like you was taught. We've got enemy fire. Fucking scupper, run! Oi, gear up
Let's
and move
fuel
on that
right
point.
away.
Ground needs taken, boys.
Our orders have come in.
Oh my god, he's gone 4 Bursilieri. How can he afford this much?
Sappers, hold the position. Cavalry can't be
Do I
too
need a
far.
machine gun now, maybe?
Down! Grenade! Move!
Fall back! Right down and listen on then. I don't want to hear a fucking word. March.
We are losing a victory point to enemy action.
Replacements
Bob
are here.
Gunners,
Pay attention,
prepare to
lads.
engage
We're
any
patrolling.
enemy.
Orders, jump to it, lads. Infantry has us ranged!
Orders received.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Wresting
Need
territory
my
from the
fuel
enemy.
badly.
Heavy machine gun has been deployed for you.
6-pounder anti-tank gun ready.
They shall not escape our gaze.
Quiet down. And listen, easy. Finders, keepers, Present lads.
The Bosch hold all victory points. Act now.
Come on then. Always eager to serve. Head into
The enemy has claimed a sector.
We got to take that territory. Push it on enemy ground. Get to cover, you fucks.
MG here, say the word.
We have 300 points remaining.
Aye, we're
Position.
ready.
Attention.
AT gun, you got order? Grab the other
Bring
side.
my
We're
T
moving
gun up to do some camping here.
Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. String up this area, lads.
Quiet down and listen. We'll risk it for a biscuit, won't we? Infantry closing on us.
Pack it up, lads. We've got orders. Capturing.
Found the enemy line.
Command points should be allotted, Commander.
Quiet down, you wankers.
Forward, soldiers. Look for targets.
Vickers MG ready.
Grenade.
Instructed. Sappers, forward.
Grenade. Cover his position. You wankers will march.
Jerry got one of our
come on.
squads.
We're holding here.
Quiet down, fucking scupper.
Pour up. Taking fire.
We're on, lads.
Infantry taking losses here.
Let's make it a bloody rout.
Sappers,
You need them, Vickers?
heavy motor here.
HMG team ready. Orders, come on. Point will counter itself. You all return fire on shift it.
I might just have to go for a Crusader here.
We've got the point. Holding for now.
What you got? We're moving, lads.
We're losing a victory point.
In contact. Call up.
Gurkha rifles have been made available to us.
What's the task?
The Bosch are pushing hard. We're down to 250 points. Victory victory point under enemy control.
Combat patrol chaps.
Because MG, let's
Fingers
go
on
looking
triggers.
for trouble, shall we?
Enemy tank!
Aye, we're at war's over there.
Rifle
lads.
section, move! Oh, get your heads down now!
Pack it up, lads. We'll crack 'em open.
Enemy fire! Stop! Talk with me, sir! Over! Bloody move!
Commander, enemy forces hold all victory points.
Guys,
We're losing crew.
there! Look at order! Rifle section
wet.
ready! Guys, grab that flag!
You need a fingers. Order.
Enemy troopers, get keen!
MG deploying under fire.
Straighten up!
Taking heavy enemy fire here!
Taking the way!
Go back to flag! Moving!
Fuck seconds! Moving!
Ready weapons.
Right! Driver! We're down to 200 points. Back up! Now! Oh, when it rains, it bloody pours!
MG, say the word.
Just like I walked down to the presence of the counter.
Thanks for the sub, Sneaky Fridge. Thanks for the gift sub.
Stand, everyone hold!
Much appreciated.
Jerry! He's none too pleased!
We're raring to go.
Crusader gas! Crusader on the move! Albert, watch those gears!
What you got for us?
Quiet down
Just
and
getting
listen.
dominated in
There
terms
is
of map
nowhere to
control
be
right
seen.
now.
Let's take it.
Jump to it,
Keeping
lads.
a low
Tank has us in
profile.
the sight. 6-pounder flags raised. Location's ours.
Ready to lead the charge! Stop! We're
Those
high
ones
safe,
have our
sir.
attention.
Albert!
Always
Kick it.
securing enemy territory.
Yeah, we're on it! Man's coming through!
Whackers! There you
Armor
are!
firing on us! Stay Albert! Albert, back now! Get us out of here!
Infantry has us ranged. Move yourselves.
Crusader needs the beggars are threatening a victory point. Heavy machine gun crew killed.
You grenade me or something? How did I lose that fight so badly just then?
A victory point is being overrun.
6-pounder engaging! Now we are ready to fight again.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Now!
We got all look lively now.
Gurkha rifle section ready and waiting.
My brothers...
Pay attention. Come on, ladies. While we're capturing that point. Lead on
Being
north.
absolutely
point is being
steamrolled
overrun.
all over the map right now.
All victory points are under enemy
By the
control. We
Brazilian
must
blob.
counterattack.
Forward. Let's go take
Heavy
that
boat,
point.
get going! Move, gunners!
You need a tank? You can't find
Hazard
anyone else?
removal package requisition.
Got your rifle?
My
Rounds?
machine gun there,
Come
that's
on,
not
mate, we're
ideal.
ready. Head into the local. Jerry's nowhere to be seen. Let's
Heavy
take it.
motor on... Motor ready.
Upgrade.
Damnation.
Crazy thing is that he's doing like nothing with his LEIG. His AT gun positioning's been dreadful. Well, just getting absolutely run over
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
There's work to be done. AT gun.
by the
You got orders?
Vasilieri.
Oh, they've got a soddy span down.
Empty barrage!
Oh, fuck, man. Go back to base.
Ready for
It's
Joe.
leaving.
Grab the other side. We're moving.
Infantry are standing by to deploy.
Stand together! Waiting the word.
We are
Eyes on the road. 6-pounder anti-tank gun.
Snappers ready.
We're on that.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action. 75 points remaining for us.
He's firing on us! Stop! Take cover!
One of our anti-tank guns has been destroyed.
Stop it under fire!
We fight as one.
Get us out of here! Damn it! The enemy holds all victory points.
Barrage completed! Hold!
Push me close. We can't take this kind of fire.
One last stand, gentlemen. We've only 50 points left. Section command post is under fire. Back up!
Get to it.
We've 25 points left.
Whinging and march.
Soldiers! Orders confirmed!
Right, gear up and move on that point. That's enough. Get that captured. See what we've got. Stop, you Felix. Rifle section.
Brace yourselves. We're down to our last 10 points.
Fire back. Cover his position. All right to
Sappers, get moving.
5 command points available.
Pull back and regroup. The enemy's won this round.
Oh boy, the Bacillary blobs, eh? They're tough to stop. They vet up so quickly too. Same guy again.
Sappers, we're taking that position. Digging out the section command post.
So I can't build right next to my cutoff anymore.
What's the task? You heard the boss. Sandbags now.
Do you think I should just build a dingo against this guy? Nah. Stick to my
It's
guns.
done, Commander. Section command open for business. Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up? Sandbags done. Ground needs taken, boyos. Royal Engineers. Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
I don't know, man. You can hide sandbags behind these like posts, so the enemy can't really use them for cover that much.
Present and accounted for.
Royal
So you build
Engineers here.
sandbags in a situation like that.
Sappers, ready to destroy some poor bastard's handiwork. What's Jerry's?
No
in the house?
Gurkhas.
Can we blow it
Yeah,
up
so
now?
far they felt like I didn't have space for Gurkhas.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be. You heard the boss. Sandbags.
Present to the count. Boss
Now.
man says take it, we take
Sappers,
it, right?
reporting.
Like I felt like I wanted a machine gun to suppress his Bacillary. That would be where I'd maybe go for a Gurkha instead of a machine gun. But the machine gun felt pretty good.
Orders in yonks. Sappers
That's what
ready.
how he's controlling his units.
Sandbags, eyes open, guns up. We're taking that
Dig his
position.
hair. It's captured. Pay it. Head into the
Position
location.
taken.
Take that point.
Time for
Move on that capture point. Serious faces on.
a shift of dead weight.
We'll get there if I have to drag you myself. Rifle, not hit! Enemy fire! Go, go!
Oh, we did secure that position. Drive them out. Sapper,
Okay,
apparently
we don't
it's better
finish
over
that
there.
line.
Move. Get off your asses. Move. Get moving.
Always eager to serve. What a beauty! Flags raised!
We're all tore up.
Infantry section trained and ready.
Always eager to... Oi! Gear up and move up!
Sappers, yeah? Come on, bastards. Take that position.
That's enough! Quiet down and listen up. Attention! No Ziggy's out! It's captured! Present and accounted for, sir. We have the point! Pay attention! You earned! Flags raised!
Infantry closing on us!
We got orders, lad. On those blisters, you sheep!
Well, it before!
Pipe, you wankers will...
The beggars are threatening a strategic point.
Far too close for comfort. Taking hits.
Attention!
That's 55.
Keep fighting.
The sector is in enemy control.
Sappers back.
Always eager to dig his out.
Stop.
It's captured. Present and accounted for. Horse is in gear. Let's go capturing.
Platoon command needs digging in.
Quiet down and listen up. We got orders,
Can't
lads.
see him.
Who's he called? Shut your mush and move your feet. Present and accounted
Territory
for. sir.
lost.
Look lively now. Try to secure that area.
Platoon command post up.
This is quick! Balls fucking kill!
Kill 'em. flank! Die, you bastards! Fucking Scarper! Come on, Jerry! Try again! Always eager to serve.
Come on, sappers. Get to following.
We're losing a victory point.
Top sweepers
Replacements are
away.
here. Let's
Focus
put 'em
on the
through
fight.
their paces. Come on, chaps. War's not
Sappers,
over yet.
time to march, boys. Come on.
The beggars are threatening a victory
We
point.
found Jerry!
Sending reinforcements as and when needed.
Point needs to be ours, right? Pass me the mine.
We've lost the sector to the enemy. Heavy mortars have been made available. Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Pay attention, lazy
We
buggers.
shall reinforce in your absence.
Destination now.
Quiet down.
Finders,
Keep
keepers,
us down. Come on,
Driver.
then. Sausage ahead, boys. You know what that
Take
means.
your time.
Pay attention. Lazy
orders,
combat control, chaps. Fingers
All victory points are under enemy control. We must counterattack.
Replacements are here. Let's put 'em
Everyone,
through their
forward,
paces.
soldiers. Look for targets.
Hang about, lads. Take a breather.
Sergeant, prepare to carry out our orders. Benjamin, orders are in.
Oh, that's dead,
Back
for
in
sure.
your seats. Give us some breathing room. You're black, take it easy, troopers are in the right. Stay.
Will it be, sir? We'll get there if I have to drag you myself.
We're standing by.
Enemy territory will be ours.
Steady on. Who taught you how to bloody drive?
Get it out! Always eager to... We'll risk it for a biscuit, won't we?
Present and accounted for, sir.
Oh, wanker!
We have vehicles on standby.
Infantry taking losses here! While it be... Fall back! Bloody move! Don't move!
Infantry's open fire, lads!
Stand by, soldiers.
They're not giving up! Jerry's picking us apart! Bloody hell! Grenade!
Get in the fuck out of here!
Slamming on some pretty good damage there.
Stop! Pull over!
Sappers, eager to shift some dead weight. You heard the boss. Stand
Pay
back.
attention, lazy buggers! Enemy troopers, getting keen! Fucking Scarper!
He's healing so badly.
Stop mucking about!
A victory point is being overrun.
Fucking what? Got your rifle? Rounds? Come on, now.
Sit like
Bloody
one set of
officers,
mid
time
crates
to
down or
work,
something,
bring 'em
like.
in. Quiet
Makes such a
down.
big difference.
Listen, I don't want to hear a fucking word. March.
I think we're up, lads.
Victory point under enemy control.
Pay
Ready to fight.
attention. We're pushing them
Awaiting orders.
Should win this now, right?
Driver! Get it and hold the position.
The Bosch hold all victory points. Act now.
Well, pass me. Just bloody stop, will you? Build those sandbags. Quick, sharp.
Present and accounted for, sir.
Work great enough.
We're losing a fuel point to enemy action.
Quit whinging and march. Jerry's nowhere to be seen. Let's take it.
Yeah, if you insist.
Ready for trouble. Split the trails.
Heavy mortar on standby. I will concentrate fire on those enemy troops.
Get to cover, you birds!
Hit Eagle, you got orders?
Just
We're taking the gun!
Up to now.
Damnation. The sector's in enemy hands.
Potato masher, move!
Stop! Stop! What now? There's the bar!
Oh, every time! Every shitting time! Rifle section ready! Fire back! Nice! Get that captured! See what we've got! Down.
We need space for the wounded.
get
Infirmary
rolling,
coming right up.
Always eager to serve.
6 all set.
Dig his hand!
A munitions point is being overrun.
Pay attention! Look lively!
just got everything on 0 health right now. I need this healing so badly.
Sector locked.
Field
The
infirmary.
men are eager to fight with valor, Commander, no matter the cost.
Is it load bearing? Then it's fixed.
Build up! We're moving out, chums.
We got orders, lads. Come on, ladies, while we're young.
Clear to ink. We hear ya.
Orders. Grab the other
Let's get to it.
6-pounder deploying. We'll
Just
cover
run
here.
away from the machine gun.
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Right, lads?
6-pounder advancing to
Present
attack.
in there. I want eyes everywhere.
Driver. Running over.
Awaiting Sappers, yeah? Take the position, sappers!
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Initiating combat patrol!
Aye, we're moving across the line. Head
Heavy machine gun and crew are... We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Every shitting time!
Shots! That means you
Hey,
know.
Seagull, you got orders.
Wankers! There you are! No! Pipe down, you wankers! What? Move! Bloody move!
I might be able to outrange him.
That means you! Go, go!
Six, no rest for the wicked.
Well, it's me! Take those big boys!
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
We're losing crew! We hear you!
Grenade! Oh, those blisters, you shit! Oh, fuck me!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
We can't fucking Scarper!
Pushing on the
Run!
attack. Back it up. Let's get the job done.
Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up? Patching it up now.
Oi! Gear up and
What you got for us? Commander, you read me mind. Aye, we're ready. Standing by!
Rifle set! Benefit fire!
Come on, bastards! Take that position!
Take pull back to base! Leave it! Taking heavy enemy fire territory!
Heavy motor on stand! Advanced gunners!
Hey, Teagle,
Prepare
what's
to
over
engage
there, lads?
any enemy!
Instruct repair work!
Present and accounted for, sir.
Let's take some ground!
Ready for... Come on, lads. There's work to be done.
What? We go
Moving
orders,
MG.
lads. Found the enemy line!
Hard track. Let's have them. Get it over with.
Awaiting orders!
The enemy is pushing hard. We're down to 2. We're losing a victory point.
Awaiting in sappers! We're moving! No fucking go, really! No cover under fire! What cover you got? Get it, Ansi! Take cover! Under enemy fire, yeah?
Orders received!
Dead!
We will execute them!
We got orders, lads.
Run, sapper!
A victory point is being overrun.
That's enough! You wankers will march! Push it on enemy ground!
We're on, lads. Let's get our hands dirty.
Alright, for guards.
Present and accounted for. Securing enemy
And
territory.
then
I think we're up, lads. Roger that.
Six, we'll get it done.
Sappers, let me guess. We
Pack it up, lads. In we go. And put wood in
we
all.
received our orders!
We got orders, lads. Quit whinging and march.
Keeping up the pressure. Ready to fight. Nowhere to be seen.
Always eager to serve. What a beauty! Flags raised! Nice! Oh, contact with the bloody enemy! How'll it be, sir? Glory be! High rise alarm!
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
The base! Leave it!
Now then. Mirror, signal, driver.
That's not lively.
Give us some breathing room.
What you got for us? Split the trails.
Sapper, we've got orders to move. Dig it down.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
With the bloody enemy!
We've lost a sector.
Attention! Nine!
The enemy has our victory points now.
Pull up the wall!
Enemy troopers.
We've been given our orders!
Fight! Fall back!
We're losing a strategic point to enemy action.
Look sharp, gunners! We have... Cease your actions, gunners!
Always eager to serve.
Just like a walk down to
Pay
the
attention.
next
Up.
A section of guards have been
Roll
deployed.
into Jerry's life.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
We're ready.
All right, driver, take your time.
Found the enemy line! You wankers will march!
What's the task? We're not fucking mitching, Davis.
Enemy fire! Bloody hell! Grenade! Well it be, sir! Ricardo!
Up to it, lads. One
Rifle sex, take that territory!
Yes, sir. We are ready. 4.2 refacing.
Yeah, if you insist. Stop.
We got all, we're capturing that point!
It's
Lead
Eagle.
on,
You got
boys.
orders? We've got work to do, lads. Time to
Under fire! Slaves! Fire down, you wank! Pull back the back!
Grab your bundle and go!
shift in position.
Quiet down. Time for a little stroll. Maybe you can
Stand together.
We're losing a victory point.
Infantry has us ranged. Open wide.
Confirm the enemy.
Jump to you. Double
Stop mucking about.
Gunners.
We're up.
We have our orders.
Load up! We're going
Get it
down
over
the
with.
lines. Get scary,
Back it up, lads.
This
We've got
is
orders.
enemy territory.
Mirror, signal, driver.
We got orders,
Soldiers.
lads.
Commander issued orders. They shall not escape our gaze.
Numbers back up. Ready for
Present
action.
to the We'll risk
Go
it
for
a
AT grenades
biscuit,
next.
won't we?
Oh, I got this. No, I don't.
Gurkha
Oh, good.
rifles have been made available to us.
Getting you orders, Let's go looking chap. for trouble, shall we? Vickers MG, ready.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Moving into Jerry territory. Let lively, men.
In contact! Pull up forward! While it's peace, wresting territory from the enemy! Quiet down, you wankers!
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Let's take some ground! Always easy, sir. Mind us falling back! Nice! What's
A Matilda heavy tank has been completed.
Get on! Quiet down and cut your mush and move the field.
Return fire on those bastards!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Right, that means you!
It's Eagle. You got orders? Double time on that point.
Soldiers, prepare the tractor.
Vickers MG.
We're losing a fuel point.
We need a
Pay
personal
attention,
invitation.
ladies. We're capturing that point. Lead on,
Heavy
knights.
mortar on standby.
Sappers, let me guess.
Orders,
We should
jump
see
to
the
it,
other guy.
lads. Open fire! Up and Adam! So willing! With your enemy squad firing on us! We know the
The enemy has claimed a sector.
Rifle section ready! Big man will be He's dead! Let's cover his
The
position!
beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Powder deploying. They'll cover here.
The enemy have taken our territory. Our victory point is being overrun.
Gear, let's go catch him!
Sappers reported. Calling in some hands and kit.
Looks funny, shoot
Should be
it!
handy.
Soldiers, commanders issued orders.
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Field upgrade, lads.
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Captured! We're holding!
Push
Fighter! Let's move out!
Her talents are needed.
Get scary, lads.
Vickers MG, ready.
Quiet, head into the location.
Matilda, heavy.
Fire back! Oh, God, what the fuck?
Enemy right! Get out of the range!
Airburst shells will decimate enemy infantry concentrations.
Yes, sir! No, don't bother! We'll deal with this ourselves!
The enemy have taken our territory.
Lead on, damn it.
Always easy. Shut your mouth.
Grenade packages are inbound, Commander.
I don't want to hear a fucking word. March.
Ready now!
Get to cover, you fucks! Taking heavy enemy fire here!
Another infantry sally!
Like shit through a goose.
Keeping at us!
Let's move back!
It's Eagle, you got all grab all this up.
Rifle grenades and anti-tank grenades are now available.
Rifle rounds? Come on now.
You are?
Sink walls over there, lads.
Snappers, reporting. Job's better than fucking...
We're raring to go. Vickers relocated.
Present just like a walk down to Nancy. Leave it!
Then it's fixed. To avoid this spot. Snappers! Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Spread out!
Contact with the enemy, snappers! Fall back now!
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Orders received! Let's find going down!
Must be going for a tiger, right?
Jerry's picking us apart!
Job for us. I'll do it.
Wankers! There you are!
Taking enemy fire!
That's enough.
We're on the line!
Breathing speed.
Enemy fire! Fucking stop!
Matilda taking minor damage. Matilda reverse! Push it!
Like you've never marched before!
We'll go for a Grant then.
We will be able to requisition ground
Could
tanks
go for
shortly.
a second AT gun and the AT gun training.
It's
Oh, no.
Eagle, you got all split the trails.
Probably use second AT gun now anyway.
Not quite as old over Snooker.
Royal Engineers out of contact. Presumed dead.
HMG, redeploy!
Well, that's going to leave a mark.
Grant medium tanks are available. You have command points available.
Enemy infantry squad!
Matilda! Moving out! Matilda, back up!
The Huns have 300 points at the moment. Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
Over here! Race out, boys!
Well, that's going to leave a mark.
It's Eagle, split the trails.
Get him off! That's enemy armor!
We're losing a victory point.
Vickers MG, ready.
Enemy tank!
Ready to fight. Well, Jerry! Want our attention!
Victory point belongs to the enemy. Report. One of our... The beggars are threatening a victory point. Artillery barrage on the way.
Vickers is in his sights!
Hold firm. The enemy have 250 points left.
We're losing men here!
Matilda! Moving out!
It's Eagle, no rest for the wicked.
Quit whinging and march.
My crew's shields not destroyed!
Try to get there, but drag you monster! You wankers will march!
Roll this bitch out!
Now the enemy line! That's enough! Go! Turn it on!
Good stuff.
This guy just he just doesn't have it, does he? The early game's fine, but the late game he collapses.